Hi everyone! So I have been in the mood to craft lately. I'm finally have like the crafting bug. So I bought this starter kit right here off of Amazon, and then I pulled out some of my rhinestones. I got these from Temu. A lot of this over here is from Temu. And so a lot of this down this way that you can't see. So I thought let's play around and create some pins together. So the main thing you need to know is you need to have a large hole in your beads. It needs to be a 2 mm or larger to go ahead and fit on beadable pins, and it's the same thing for pokey tools. So I kind of started this one right here, and then I realized like I forgot to add like a little dangly bit, so we're gonna just put this one on here. This came with this Amazon starter kit. It was the beads right here, the pins. These are like little chains, which is this. It came with these tassels and it came with these charms. So with the little lobster clasp and chain, and then I added the little ghosty and the little tassel there. So I'm going to slide that on. Then I'm going to put my bead here. So it's kind of like in the middle. Actually, I don't know if I like it that low because it's kind of covering over my bat. So what if we put it up here? I think I like that a little bit better. So we'll put that on there, and then you just go ahead and screw the top one down. So it's all nice and tight there. For some reason mine went a little bit wonky, so I'm just gonna straighten that out. That's a good thing about these is you can just go ahead and unscrew the top and then just fix it. There we go. So here is my little bat with my little dangle. I should have pulled out some gold rhinestones now that I'm looking at it, because this is in gold. So we'll have to see. We'll see how much that bothers me. And then I had done this one before. I think when I hauled this, I had put this one together with you guys. So there's that one. I don't know if I should leave him. I think I'm going to maybe change him. I do have my glow-in-the-dark beads here, and then I also have these here. These I got from BeeBeeCraft, and I recently hauled those, so you can find that video on my channel here. I wonder if this one would fit there. And these are also from BeeBeeCraft. Let's see, let's go with an orange. I want to do a rhinestone one. I think that'd be really pretty. So put the rhinestone one at the bottom, and then this one is really pretty. There's like glitter in that pin. So that's really nice right there. And then look how pretty these are. Those are really nice. So we'll put that one down. And then, oh, do I have, like I have this together also. This is just a bunch of beads that I pulled from my stash. I think a lot of this is actually from Temu. Then I have this one also. This is all from Temu in a recent haul. How large are these? Oh, those are going to be really small. I think these are going to be more for a stick pin. Yep, that one doesn't fit. That one doesn't fit either. Those are from Temu. What about these? Nope, those are going to have to be for stick pins. What about this one? That will work. Okay. So let's put like a rhinestone here. And then let me see. Maybe I'll put a pumpkin. I have like a little pumpkin. Oh, I wonder if these skulls fit. Probably not. Let's see. I can force this one on. So if it like fits but doesn't go down, you said this one doesn't go down, you can hold the little like stick right here and you can twist them down and kind of force it to go on. So this takes a little bit of work and time to make it fit. But you can see like the thread is coming out on top. So I hope I really like this one where I'm putting it, because it's kind of taking a little bit of work there. So there's that one. And then I wanted to put like a little pumpkin, a little jack-o'-lantern. Oh yeah, see, I don't like those together right there. But I kind of already put it on, so I kind of just got to roll with it, right? And then let's see. What about like one of these orange ones? think this one would fit, but again, I think this one might have to force on. Yep, see, it sits right on top, and then I'm just gonna have to work at it and force it to go down to fit so I can put the cap on. Actually, no, look, that's like right at the edge there. That does not fit, because then now I cannot get this cap on. So don't do like I do. Right? Learn from my mistakes. Maybe I just need to put the cap on and it'll be fine. Let's see. Oh, I just unscrewed this from the wrong side. When I do that, I'll get, I don't have my pliers out here. Let me see. Okay, so you can screw it from either side. So I'll hold this with my pliers and then I'll work to get my bead back out on this side. Since this one is the one that I put on last, I'm going to take this one off. There we go, got that one off. And then carefully without dropping my beads, there's the little hole right there, so you're just gonna feed that back through. And then just go ahead and twist that on. So you can use your pliers again to just screw the little peg back in. And then I can feel it like right there, it's nice and tight. So let's just see if I just put my cap on. How does that look? Oh yeah, see, that's all I had to do is just put my cap on. But I do want to add another one of these little charms, so that way I can go ahead and add one on. So let's just put that guy right there. And go ahead and put our cap back on. There you go. So that's nice and tight. Then I'm just going to adjust my beads. So now my skull and my little pumpkin are facing out. And then I could go ahead and add a charm, which I think I'll do. Or like I said, this kit came with little tassels right there. But I think I'm just going to go for a charm. Let's put this guy on. There we go. So I'm going to make a couple more and then I will come back and share with you guys what they'll look like. Okay, so I reworked this one. I like it a lot better now. And then you can always adjust the beads if you need to. So I like the way it looks with the little like polka dots popping through. Here is my little batty bat right there. This one I reworked also. I had one of these spacers in there. I took that out. I like it better just all orange. Again, and then just twist your beads around so that way my skull and my little jack-o'-lantern are facing the same way. I put my little jack-o'-lantern dangle right there. I have this one right here where I added a little skeleton charm and then my little bead up here with my little like creepy little clown guy. You can see this one I started and then I stopped. I just wasn't feeling it as I was putting it together, so I just put it aside, and that's okay. If you're thinking you want to work on something and then it's just not flowing, just put it aside and come back to it. Then I got my little bat right here. I reworked him also. I thought it was going to be too much originally to have a bat charm with the bat bead, but I'm actually really digging it, so I'm happy that I changed that out. This eyeball, I think, is my favorite. I love this one. If you guys joined my Halloween swap from last year, you might be seeing some of your pieces in here because this one was gifted to me in that swap. So I think it's really cool. I need to get more of those. I'm loving that. And then on this one, I had these two different size spiderweb beads from that same little swap, and then there was this button in there, so I just took the same little clip that came from the Amazon kit and I just put it onto the button right there. So that's how I got this little spider to just hang out. I love how these came out. I got my little craftiness going that I wanted. I got a couple things done and set up in case I want to do some Happy Mail, some swaps. I'm going to try to build a lot of my stash for next year because fingers crossed I will be able to host a Halloween swap. It's my favorite time of year. I love hosting swaps because I get so many ideas. So that's kind of what I'm in right now mode, is just like building my stash and having things that I can send out really quickly. So that's our little video for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.